Hello, my name is Lee, and my company, Equity Investments, is looking to buy several more investment properties in your area. If you're watching this video right now, it's likely because you have a house to sell. We're not a great fit for everybody, but if you like the idea of selling your house for a fair price without fixing it up, without putting it on the market, and without dealing with the uncertainty of when it will sell, then we may be closer to a win-win outcome than we think. If you really want to sell your house, I can make an all-cash offer, buy your property as is, and close whenever you want, even in as little as 7 days. Here's how I can make it easy and convenient to sell your house to us. First, I'd like to pay all of your closing costs when you sell your property to us. This alone will save you thousands of dollars. Secondly, if the property needs repairs or fixing up, that's okay. Most properties do. I will handle those repairs when you sell to us. That means that you don't have to worry about spending money to make repairs to the property getting it ready to sell. Not to mention, avoiding the hassle dealing with contractors or handymen to coordinate repairs. When you sell your house to us, you'll be able to avoid all of the headaches. I'll explain everything in clear and easy to understand terms and handle all the paperwork. And I'll make sure you have everything in advance so that you can take your time to review it until you feel comfortable. Now, like I said earlier, most of the properties that I purchased are in need of repairs or updating. As you'd imagine, because of these sometimes substantial expenses involved in doing this, I'm probably not going to be in a position to pay you top of the market value for your property. That said, I can easily pay you a fair price based on the property's condition, and likely give you a few different options. If you like our offer, then you can get cash in 30 days, and typically much sooner than that, and avoid having to wait the 3 to 4 months it can take to sell a property. Give us a call, the number you see on the screen, and if this isn't the right for you, that's okay. For some people, this isn't a good fit, and others, it turns out to be the very solution they were looking for. In the end, it's your decision. We are here to help. Take care. Have a great day.